What's up, guys? Welcome back to The Educated Barfly. My name's Leandro Demon Riva, and today we are making another version of Planter's Punch. This time we are doing the 1937 Don The Beachcomber recipe, as you can tell, because it has a million ingredients in it. And I got a blender out. So that is what we are doing today. I'm not going to get into the whole thing because I already did a Planter's Punch episode, and that we covered the history. But I will say that Planter's Punch is very old. It is old as maybe rum itself. And there are a lot of different versions of it. So I thought it would be nice, just like we did different versions of the old fashioned, we're doing that kind of thing. I think it'd be kind of nice to go through different versions of Planter's Punch because in the tiki world, there are a lot of them. All right, let's get into it. And this time we are building in this bad boy that I broke. Look at that, I broke it. I'm gonna have to get a new one so I look more professional. Anyway, let's get into it. First thing we are going to do is half an ounce of lime juice. Put it on in there. Half an ounce of simple syrup. Put it in there. 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Half an ounce of dark rum. Today we're using Myers. And we wanted to use dark Jamaican rum, sorry. Half an ounce of gold Jamaican rum. So I'm using Appleton Signature. One ounce of gold Virgin Islands rum. We're using Cruzon 3-year. Is it 3-year? Yeah, it's 3-year. 1 ounce. And then we're doing a Barspoon of Grendaine, and that equates to half a teaspoon. And, probably should have pre-opened this, 1 Barspoon of Velvet Falernum, or if you want to make the Falernum number 9, you can do that as well. And we're going to do 3/4 of a cup of crushed / pellet ice. This ice has got kind of old, so there you go. And we are gonna throw this in a blender. Have it. Oh, there, still needs a little longer. I thought this would, after all that, I thought this would be a little more voluminous. I have to like keep switching glassware. Let's do it in this nice pretty glass. And then we're just gonna garnish it with some cherries and a nice, I did like a dehydrated orange because I'm trying to get, I mean, you know, it's like we do so many of the same garnishes, so many cocktails call for the same garnishes. I'm trying to get a little more creative with it. There you have it, Planter's Punch. I'm going to remove this awesome skewer that I got from Barfly Mixology Gear, and I'm going to try it. It is very well balanced, nice and tart. You can taste those Angostura bitters. Everything kind of plays nicely. You know, there's a kind of a lot of sweet stuff in this. You know, you've got grenadine and sugar syrup and falernum, but it doesn't overtake the lime, which is really nice. It balances nicely with the lime. So there you have it, my friends. Don the Beachcomber's 1937 Planter's Punch in the 3rd and final glass. I will see you guys next time. If you like my show, please like and subscribe. And if you want to visit us on Patreon, then you can visit us at theeducatedbarfly.com. No, that's not true. Patreon.com/theeducatedbarfly. There you go. Like and subscribe. See you guys next time.